guys, welcome back. Subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon to turn on the notifications so that you won't miss any of my videos in the future. Hi guys, welcome back. I am here with a highly requested video. Recently when I made a video on how to grow your eyelashes and eyebrows really fast, you guys asked me to make a video on how I cleaned my mascara bottle. So here I am. This video is for all those people who made this request. For this, you will obviously need an empty mascara bottle or tube, preferably a non-waterproof mascara one, and also a makeup remover liquid or an eye makeup remover liquid. Any brand will do the work, but make sure it removes even the most stubborn makeup. So now open the mascara bottle and pour the makeup remover liquid into it and use the mascara wand to loosen the mascara inside the tube. Keep filling the bottle with the liquid and let it stay overnight or a minimum of 3 hours so that the mascara can loosen up. Here, I accidentally took the mascara bottle which had the waterproof mascara in it. This was an old tube, so I had forgotten that it was a waterproof one. It's really hard to clean a waterproof mascara bottle. So that's why I asked you guys to make sure it's a non-waterproof mascara bottle. Yeah, so as I said, you guys have to keep this overnight or a minimum of 3 hours so that the mascara can loosen up. So the next day, open the mascara bottle and discard the makeup remover into the sink. Here I am using a bowl for the purpose of the video, but you guys use the sink, okay? Yeah, so now fill in the sink or bowl with water, and now take any dishwash liquid or a shampoo and pour some into the sink and mix it with the water to create bubbles. Now fill the mascara tube with soapy water and use the wand to scrub the inside of the tube as shown in the video. Here you can see that there is a rubber thing inside the tube. So we need to remove it and clean it thoroughly as well. So to remove it, pull one side of the rubber and insert a fork into it and pull it using the fork as shown in the video. It will come off easily like this. Now clean everything thoroughly until there is no mascara left inside and the water comes clear. After cleaning, you can throw the soapy water. You can also directly put some soap into the mascara bottle and clean it as shown in the video. Now fill in with clean water and again rinse the bottle very thoroughly. If you see clear water, then it means it's clean. By the way guys, don't worry about your hands getting messy. You can easily clean it off with any soap. You can see here that I am able to clean my hands easily with the soap. Now after the mascara bottle is completely clean, you can dry it under the sun. Okay, so now this mascara tube is completely dry. Here you can see that there is no water left inside or on the wand. Now you can fill in with your favorite lash or eyebrow serum. Here is the one that I made. After filling in the serum, put the rubber thing back inside the mascara bottle. This will prevent the serum from spilling out. If you haven't watched my video on how to grow your eyelashes and eyebrows really fast, then I will leave the link at the end of this video and also in the description box below. You can check them out. You should really check them out. It really works. So that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then please give a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and also click on the bell icon to turn on the notifications so that you will get notified every time I upload a new video. Share this with your friends and family, and you can also follow me on my Instagram and other social media. The links are in the description box below. Thank you guys. Bye. Love you.